Hi friends, registered dietitian nutritionist Whitney English here. I've got a super sweet episode for you today. As part of my series, Whit's Tips on Nutrition Trends, we're serving up an evidence-based breakdown on reducing sugar in your diet. Cutting sugar is a major trend, and for the most part, with good reason. Excessive added sugar in the diet is associated with numerous chronic diseases, including heart disease, diabetes, and obesity. Added sugar includes things like cane sugar, brown rice syrup, agave, and even so-called natural sweeteners like honey and maple syrup, not the sugar found in fruit. But do you really need to go cold turkey and swear off added sugar for good to be healthy? Not at all. Research shows that in the context of a balanced diet, one that's packed with health-promoting whole fruits and vegetables, a little added sugar won't hurt you. That said, when you can reduce it, why not? Some common culprits of sugar overload include packaged goods, sauces, salad dressings, baked goods, and flavored beverages. For example, just a cup of your average vanilla Greek yogurt has 20 grams of added sugar. Now, I'm not going to tell you to ditch the sugar in your favorite chocolate chip cookie recipe. That would just be cruel. But some foods and drinks could definitely benefit from a decrease in sugar. My favorite thing to replace added sugars with is fruit. While some people worry about the sugar in fruit too, it's not the same nutritionally. Whole fruit comes loaded with beneficial components like micronutrients, fiber, and phytochemicals, all things that combat the conditions we're trying to avoid. Strawberries, for example, contain 3 grams of belly-filling fiber per serving and a hefty dose of flavonoids, phytochemicals with the potential to lower the risk of cancer, heart disease, and Alzheimer's. For those concerned about diabetes, the American Diabetes Association identifies berries, including strawberries, on their Diabetes Superfoods page because they're packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and fiber. Pureed strawberries can easily add nutritious sweetness to plain yogurt or oatmeal. Dressings, ditch the added sugar and puree fruit with olive oil and vinegar for a quick, cheap, and nutrient-packed dressing. As for beverages, pureed fruit can totally replace added cane sugar or high fructose corn syrup. For example, I love using pureed strawberries in my strawberry mojito recipe instead of simple syrup. You can make this with alcohol or keep it virgin for a light, refreshing sip. Here's how to make it. Add 8 to 10 fresh mint leaves each to 2 cocktail glasses. Cut half of a lime into 4 wedges and distribute between the glasses. Add 2 to 3 strawberries to each glass. Muddle the mixture. Fill glasses almost to the top with ice. In a blender, combine 2/3 cup strawberries and 1 cup sparkling water. Distribute the sparkling water mixture between the glasses. For an alcoholic drink, add 1.5 ounces of white rum before topping off with the sparkling water. Ah, so yummy. Cheers. Who needs sugar when you've got fresh strawberries? What are some ways you cut down on added sugar? Share them in the comments below. I'm Whitney, thanks for watching.